How to multiply two numbers in a single line. Let's say you want to multiply 7253 with 384. This is how you would do it normally. But as you can see, that method is very long. So here's how to do that in a single line. Here's how you can multiply these two numbers in only one line. So what we do is we divide the final answer into various digits. So what we'll do, we'll find separately the units, digits, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, and so on. And to do that, what we do is we just find the pairs in the numbers that we are multiplying that can contribute to a particular digit, and then we sum up all the products of those pairs. So you'll understand better when we solve this example. So let's say we want to find what the units digit for the answer is. So only the pair that can contribute to the units digits is the units digits of these two numbers. So 3 into 4, 12. So 2 is the units digits and 1 we take as a carry. Now for the next pair, what we do is what will contribute to the tens place of the answer. So actually the tens over here and the units over here and the tens over here and the units over here will contribute. But if you go this way to find all the pairs, it can be very cumbersome. So here's a simple trick to find the pair. So what we do is in the upper number, we find the maximum digit and the minimum digit in the lower number that will contribute to make the digit that we are looking for. So for example, for the tens place, the tens digit in the top number and the units digits in the bottom number will give us a digit that will contribute to the tens place, right? So 5 4s are 20. Then we just move this one over here and move this one over here one step, and we keep doing that until we can't no more. So 5 4s are 20, then again 8 3s are 24, so 20 plus 24 44. 1 was the carry, so we have 5 over here, and now 4 is the carry. Now let's just quickly solve this. So for the next, we'll take 2 into 4, the hundreds into units. So 2 into 4, 8, plus 5 8s are 40, so 48, plus 3 3s are 9, so 57. 57 plus 4 was the carry, so 61. 1 is this place, 6 we got the carry. Now 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28, plus 2 8s are 16, so 28 plus 16, 30, 44, 44, plus 5 3s are 15, so 44 plus 15, 59, and you cannot move this over here more, so 59 plus 6 is 65, so again 5, and you get 6 as the carry. Then for the next digit we take 7 and 8, so the thousands and the tens here to get the tens thousands place. So 7 8s are 56, 2 3s are 6, so 6 and 56 is 62, 6 was the carry, so 8, and again 6 is the carry. Then 7 3s are 21, and 6 was the carry, so 27. And since this is the largest we can find, we cannot make a digit more than this since we use both the leftmost digits in both the numbers. We are going to write the final answer as is, so 27. So now this is the exact same answer that we got from the long method, but we got this much faster. So this method might look complex at first, but if you practice enough, you'll easily just multiply this in your head, and you won't even have to write down the carries on the paper. You can if you want to. Even while writing this down on the paper, it is much faster than the previous method. If you like the content, do subscribe so you don't miss out on any future updates, and thanks for watching.